A very pleasant morning to all the students of class 6. Today we are going to wind up with our first chapter, okay? Because this the last section that we are remaining with using brackets and the Roman numerals, okay? From Monday we are going to start our new chapter. So these are the two basic concepts that we are going to do today and are very simple. So using brackets is basically to avoid the confusion in a mathematical operation, in a mathematical calculation. And whilst we solve the mathematical calculation, so to avoid the confusion, like I have an example, simple example for you. You can understand this, the use of bracket. 7 multiplied by 8 minus 3, okay, and here it is written 7 multiplied by 8 minus 3, but here it is written by using the brackets. So in this case, if you have any two students are there, okay, they decide, the one of the students has decided कि मैं पहले 7 multiply by 8 कर लेता हूँ, then will minus 3. उसने क्या किया, 7 8 is 56, minus 3 it is 53. Now here 7 multiplied, other students decided कि 7 multiply 8 minus 3, तो 7 multiply by 5 कर लेता हूँ, okay. So he got the answer as 35. So in this case किया तो 7 multiply 8 minus 3 ही है, लेकिन because here brackets are not used and both students went with their own calculation, so the result is different. But in this case, if we give this sum, if we give this expression with bracket, so brackets का मतलब ये है कि पहले bracket solve होंगी, bracket के अंदर वाली चीज़ को completely solve करेंगे और वो बाहर आएगा, then we will do the calculation. So 8 minus 3 is 5 and 7 multiplied by 5 is equals to 35. So here we get the answer as 35, which is the correct answer. So this is basically the simple use of brackets. When we use brackets, we do the calculation of bracket first and then we will do the other calculation, okay. So now this is the section 1.4. Now moving towards the section 1.5, that is Roman numerals. So class, Roman numerals are not new to you, okay. You have seen these numerals in the clock, है ना, वॉल क्लॉक होती है, घड़ी होती है हमारी. there you see the 1 to 12 written in the Roman numerals. In your classes you have first class, second class, third class written as this, है ना. And in your timetable, in your school timetable, you have seen these Roman numerals. So basically the numbers जो हम Indian number 1 2 3 सब use करते हैं, these are called as Roman numerals that are written in this way. So here you just have to understand and just write down these Roman numerals and remember them, okay. You have to learn them in some case, that 1 is written as like this, 2 is this, 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay. This is 9, this is 10, x is for 10, this is your 11, this is 12, and when x is for 10, so x is 20. Similarly 3 times x is 30, okay. x is equals to 30. So these are the basic representation. Some standard that you use, that is 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and thousands, ये आपके स्टैंडर्ड हैं एंड दीज आर यूज्ड, मीन्स इनको यूज़ करके आप बाकी सारे रोमन न्यूमरल्स, ओके, all the Roman numerals up to 1000 you can make them by on your own. आप खुद से बना सकते हैं बाकी सब रोमन न्यूमरल्स. लाइक I will take an examples and you will get to know and you will be more clearer, ओके. सो बेसिकली ये वाले स्टैंडर्ड है, इनकी हेल्प से आप बाकी सारे न्यूमरल्स को खुद से फॉर्म कर सकते हैं. ये ध्यान रखना है दैट v इज़ यूज फॉर 5, x इज़ यूज फॉर 10, l इज़ यूज फॉर 50, l इज़ यूज फॉर 50, c इज़ 100, d इज़ 500 एंड m इज़ योर 1000, ओके. नाउ वी आर हैविंग सम रूल्स. कुछ रूल्स हैं रोमन न्यूमरल्स के, अराउंड 5 रूल्स हैं दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर वेरी केयरफुली, ओके. वो आपको रिमेंबर रखने हैं एंड यूजिंग दैट रूल्स यू कैन जस्ट राइट एनी नंबर like 92, 93, 74 and 65. You can write these numbers in the Roman numeral by using those rules. So I am explaining each of the rule one by one. Just focus on that. So here are your rules. These are 5 rules that you have to remember always. The first rule is, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added, okay. It means, जैसे मैंने आपको example लिया है, x, this is 10 plus 10 because x is used for 10, वी नो दैट स्टैंडर्ड. ओके, एक्स एक्स इज 10 10. अगर वैल्यू रिपीट, अगर सिंबल रिपीट हुआ है तो वैल्यू ऐड करनी है, तो ये 20 हो गया. एक्स 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 इज 30 बिकॉज 10 + 10 + 10 30, वैल्यू इज एडेड. ओके, मूविंग टू द सेकेंड रूल. अ सिंबल इज नॉट रिपीटेड मोर देन 3 टाइम्स. मतलब एक्स 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 आपने रिपीट कर लिया ना, तो 30 लिख दिया. अब 40 लिखने के लिए आप कभी भी एक्स 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 यूज नहीं करेंगे. दिस इज रॉन्ग. ठीक है ना, बिकॉज अ सिंबल इज नॉट रिपीटेड मोर देन 3 टाइम्स. इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, 40 लिखने के लिए आप अलग तरीका यूज करेंगे, मैं अभी बताऊंगी आपको. ओके, एंड वी एल एंड डी, it means V is for 5 and L is for your 50, and similarly the D is for your 500. So these, the V, L and D are never repeated. ये कभी repeat नहीं होंगे. It means D को D करके आप 1000 नहीं लिखेंगे because 1000 के लिए आपके पास M है. ठीक है ना. So V, L and D are never repeated. Take care of that. The rule number 3 is, if a symbol is written on the right side of the greater value, their value is added. ठीक है, तो अगर सिंबल को हम राइट साइड लिखते हैं, so their value is added. Like ये आपका V5 है, this is your 1, I is for your 1. Okay, so 5 + 1 6 हो गया. It means ये वाली जो स्मॉलर वैल्यू है आपकी 1, ये राइट साइड लिखी हुई है 5 के, तो इसकी वैल्यू ऐड हो जाएगी. लाइकवाइज अगर आपके पास लिखा हुआ है x and this is your 1 1 1, ठीक है, it means the values are added and it is 10 + 1 + 1 + 1, that is 13. Okay, so this is the rule number 3, that if a symbol is written on the right side of greater value, their value is added. The rule number 4 is, if a symbol of a smaller value है ना, smaller value written on the left side of greater symbol, their values get subtracted. Likewise जैसे आपने 3 लिखना था, 3 लिखने के लिए तो आपने ये x 1 1 1 यूज़ कर लिया ना, वैल्यू ऐड हो गई. लेकिन आपने 4 लिखना था, तो आप ऐसे तो लिख नहीं सकते, 4 रॉन्ग होगा. तो आप क्या करेंगे, v में से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, लेफ्ट साइड लिख देंगे. v के 1 लेफ्ट साइड लिख देंगे आप, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, 5 - 1, that is 4. So likewise here is XL, that is your L is, because X is 10 है ना, L is 50. It means ये लेफ्ट साइड लिखा हुआ है, स्मॉलर वैल्यू इज ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड, सो यू गेट 50 - 10 is equals to 40. So therefore you get that 40 is written as XL. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया that 30 तक तो हमने लिख दिया XXX, ओके, बट फॉर 40 we will write XL, means 50 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया X. Now fifth point is V, L and D are never written on the left side of other symbol. It means V, L और D को आप किसी में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कभी भी नहीं करेंगे, वो लेफ्ट में कभी नहीं लिखे जा सकते on any symbol. Now there are 2 notes. So these 5 rules are very much important and these are very simple. You just have to remember and use them. Okay. Now there is a note that the symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. I को हम V और X में से ही सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि 9 लिखने के लिए हम वो IX लिखते हैं, ठीक है ना. 9 के लिए हम कैसे लिखते हैं, 9th ऐसे ना, 4th क्लास 4 कैसे लिखेंगे हम, इस तरीके से. So I can be subtracted from V and X only. The other note is the symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. ठीक है, you have to take care of that. Now moving further, I am taking just examples, 2 examples, write in Roman numeral. And with this your chapter 1 will be completed, and I recommend you, I advise you and to go through the page number 25 of your NCERT book. There is the rules are explained and some examples are given, and are very simple example. They will be clearly understood by you. So means you have to go through the page number 25. Okay, see that page of NCERT maths. So the taking examples that I have taken is, write in Roman numeral 73. Like आपको 73 अगर लिखना है तो आप क्या करेंगे, L is your 50, मैंने लिखा है LXX 3. मैं आपको इसको एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ. LXX and this 3, this is 50, this is 10, this is 10, तो ये कितना हो गया, 70. And this is 1 1 1, means 3, that is 73. Therefore I have written it like this. It means आपको जितने रोमन न्यूमरल्स पता चले हैं उनसे आप बाकी सभी रोमन न्यूमरल्स को खुद से लिख सकते हैं. Like taking 92. 92 is your XC. 90 is XC. ठीक है, because C is your 100 and X is your 10. और ये लेफ्ट साइड पर लिखा है तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द फोर्थ रूल ये 100 minus 10 90 है XC. Okay, and this is your 2, so it will get your 92. So these are the two simple examples, and with this our chapter 1 is completed. Thank you class 6 for watching the videos. Just go through the previous videos. You have Sunday also, so in case of any doubt just let me know in the Google Classroom. Stay happy, stay safe and enjoy learning. Thank you class.